The filler is a hyaluronic acid gel. There are a lot of different types of fillers, in fact, but our favorites are the Restylane products. They're designed to add volume where we've lost it. The aging process will create a loss of volume in the face. We then add filler to recreate that volume that makes us look more youthful. Here at Advanced Aesthetics, I do all the injectable treatments. I do the Dysport, the neuromodulators, and the fillers. And I believe that that's an added value to seeing us in this practice. Just having a physician's experience and eye to do this. I think the evaluation of the face, understanding the muscle anatomy, and then the complications associated with these fillers really sets us apart in the delivery of this kind of treatment. As far as patient selection, we are happy to evaluate anybody that wants to look at these types of treatments. I really think that it's important to have something going on. To come in and have a treatment done when you're 18 years old for wrinkles that don't exist probably doesn't make much sense. But I think that when people are starting to see some lines, seeing some volume loss in their face, and just want a little freshening up, those are the patients that really can benefit from this. Even patients into their 70s and even 80s can benefit from some of these treatments if they're getting ready for a wedding and want to just look a little fresher.